Meet nuLINK, the next generation control system for Sedan F, FX, and FS machines. Built from the ground up, with connectivity, intelligence, and user experience at its core, nuLINK gives your shop speed, precision, and uptime like never before. Smart design. The touch-based 3D editor, drag and drop profile creation, and built-in tools for instant productivity can cut programming time by up to 50%. Built-in precision, live 3D simulation, error alerts, and auto adjustments eliminate rework. Bend it right the first time. Always connected. With SIM-enabled support and automatic updates, this means no cables, no waiting. Stay up and running, anywhere. One ecosystem. nuLINK is part of Sedan's unified new IT platform. This provides seamless software upgrades and smarter integration. You'll be future-ready from day one. Operator-friendly. Clear views, guided steps, fewer inputs. Designed for people, not programmers. Easy to learn, fast to master. Always connected means more than software. It means a better way to work. Ready to upgrade your productivity?